This 5-minute solution will show you how to add clickable website link to Facebook page. Here are several ways to add a clickable website link to your Facebook page. Follow me to see all of these ways. Once you are in your page profile, make sure you are the page owner or admin to edit your page. Now click on this three dot and click on edit action button, and let's click on change button. And now you can click on sign up, select sign up and click on next, and you can add here your website link. And if you add your website link in this way, your link will be a clickable link. And now let's see the second method. Scroll down and you can select learn more and scroll down again, click on next, and the same way enter here your website link and the link will be a clickable link. So now let's see another way to add a clickable website link. Once you are in your page profile, click on edit details and scroll down. Here you will get websites. Click on edit or add, and now click on add a website and enter here your website link and click on save. And now I'm going back to my Facebook page profile, and here as you can see a clickable website link has been added. I can easily visit my website by clicking on this link on my Facebook page. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.